What's up, beautiful babes? Happy Sunday. What's going on? What it is, what it do. Y'all, it's a sad day for me. It's a sad, sad day. My baby girl, she's moving out of my beauty room. Y'all, it's hard to even think about and believe that this is the end of our little hangout right here together for years. Okay, what can I say? We've just outgrown it together, and now all of this will change up. She's moving out. It's destroyed everything. Why? So she'll be moving. I guess I could show you where she's moving to, right? Bam! She'll be converting the closet into her own studio. Yes! Oh, she's evicting me. I'm getting my clothes out now. I'm taking them back to my room. It's gonna be just for Maddie. I'm so destroyed. No, I'm not. I'm super excited for her. This is a major step because she started her YouTube channel. In case you don't know, go to Mattie's Glam Life right here on YouTube. My baby girl has started her channel. She's on her venture. She is now, look, she's graduating from high school. She is starting her life, y'all. So go along with her on her life's journey. And that's the way you do it. You raise them and then you kick them out. No, you don't kick them out. You help them make sure that they have what they need to make those stepping stones in life. So I'm excited. I'm sorry I just kind of, messed with y'all at the beginning, but hey, it's okay to have a little fun, right? But anywho, let me go ahead and do what I got to do and get my butt out of this room so she can start her transition. And check her channel out. I'll have it linked below. I'll have it up in the iCard. Maddie's Glam Life. Yeah! And let's get it popping. Y'all, thank you so much hanging out with me today. But I gotta go. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please share your girl with your world. See ya. Bye.